Welcome to another episode of The Perfect Home with Decor Fans. I'm Isaac, and I'll be walking you through some of the trendiest of home decor designs to bring you a greater design inspiration as well as how fans can complement your homes. So today let us visit one of our clients' homes. Let's go!
Hi everyone, I'm Jason from Sand by 6 and welcome to my home. I had the inspiration back then when we first moved in together and we talked to the architect from Pi Architects and we wanted to bring in the tranquility and peace from Hangzhou, Hu Bao Shi into our home, and we wanted to blend this in with modern contemporary kind of feel over here. So as you can see, it's all in line with beauty in simplicity as the main theme of the home. That would be the balcony. It's like a little man cave of myself. Well, I love motorsports and I had a simulator back then, but my wife decided that it was too much of a space that is taken up and she sold it away. So this is currently my favorite space that I have in the house right now. Of course, we had an installed Decor Fan at balcony, and when I have my me time at night after work, when I just chill out, sit out there under the fan and just stare into nothingness, this really gives me a lot of personal space and opportunity to just wind down and relax. I would say it's beauty in simplicity because everything in the house has got to be beautiful and simple.
That's it for today's episode of The Perfect Home with Decor Fans.